Hi there, it's Yvonne here, and I am delighted to be supporting the Hotel and Resort Innovation Expo again this year, where it's making its monumental return to the Excel Centre in London on the 15th and 16th of October 2024. Transforming Excel into the UK's leading business event, innovating the hotel sector, the event is set to be packed full of content ranging from educational to inspirational, along with offering hotel professionals the chance to browse and source everything from new spa products to advanced booking software solutions and revenue management. Running a hotel or resort is all about maximising customer experiences, and the exhibitors here offer hoteliers the resources they need to do just that. On a more conceptual level, the event will also host over 100 seminars and representatives from various high-level organisations, hotels, spas and resorts, allowing visitors the chance to absorb perspectives from the very best in the business, including myself. From marketing challenges to operational hurdles, the exhibitors and speakers at the event will provide attendees with the knowledge and tools they'll need to overcome all of the challenges of offering a comfortable stay. Along with all this guidance and opportunity, there will also be unlimited chances for visitors to communicate and connect with like-minded professionals, potentially leading to career-long partnerships that change the face of the industry. And the best part, it's all available to you to attend for free. You can change your hotel strategy for the better, gaining insights from the brightest minds in the long-term hospitality industry without parting with a single penny. And even better still, the event runs concurrently with 6 industry-leading events converging to form the hospitality B2B portfolio, covering every B2B aspect that hospitality professionals need to understand for a comprehensive approach, all with just one ticket. So don't wait any longer. Click on the link below to get your free ticket now, and I'll see you there.